Hi, I'm Dan Ronan from Transport Topics. I'm a business reporter and the associate editor, and I've been covering a fascinating story here at TMC. FMCSA, the ATA, TMC, ATRI, and OIDA are getting together to work on a project that they say will improve safety. It all came out of a 2015 report from the AAA Foundation, the American Automobile Association, looking at truck safety. And FMCSA has been trying to figure out a way to get technology into the trucks so that drivers have more tools at their disposal, whether it be adaptive cruise control, steering mechanisms, or braking. They've created a website, and it's called Tech-Celerate Now.org. And for the next couple of years, these four groups that I just spoke of, they'll be working together to try to educate the trucking community about ways that these technologies should be in your truck. And if you want to read more about this, there's more at ttnews.com. At TMC, Dan Ronan, Transport Topics.